Hey, it's Trish. Welcome to my room makeover tour. If you've seen my videos before, you probably noticed that I changed my room quite a lot. I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I feel like my room definitely reflects how I'm feeling inside. My first room makeover video, I had a lot of color. I was definitely in a more excited time in my life. And then after that, I went into a completely black and white and gray phase, and I was definitely feeling a lot more moody. And then after that, I added a lot of deep reds, deep greens, and I feel like I was definitely feeling a lot more chaotic at that time in my life. Now for this room makeover, I'm leaning more towards white and black and cream, just because I want things to feel a little bit more calm and fresh, because I'm feeling kind of lighter inside, if you know what I mean. I'll most likely add more color later and more stuff, but for now I feel like I'm just gonna stick with that. And I know everyone wants to see the desk first, so I'm actually waiting for my dad to help me install it tomorrow. So for the meantime, I'm gonna be cleaning up different parts of my room. Quick run through, I'm gonna start with my shoe area. I'll show you my clothing storage. I already started cleaning that stuff. Clean out my desk area, install the new desk, and do the whole desk setup. Move to my bed area. I already changed some of the pictures on my wall, but I have to repost them because one of the pictures already fell off. Quick pan. These are the shoe boxes that I use from IKEA. I mostly keep the shoes that I don't wear a lot because germs, bacteria. I actually should be making more of an effort to wear these shoes out. I always just end up sticking to my everyday shoes, so I have to put these out. I actually own a lot of black boots. These are so comfortable. These are some cute dad shoes. I get so nervous wearing these out because, I don't know, I just don't want to ruin them. I got them as gifts. I really don't want them to crease, and this one already has some creasing. And then I have this little section right here, mostly for my skincare. I just bring this bag with me to the bathroom. I always apply hand cream, and then I put Vaseline on top to seal it. If you don't know, these are melatonin gummies. They are pretty effective for me. I try not to use them all the time. These are only for emergency, and I guess I had a lot of emergencies. And I just throw my car keys on here too, just so that I don't lose them. Earlier this month, I had already donated a bunch of my clothes. Honestly, I feel like I can donate a lot more because I'm not wearing a bunch of my clothes. I want to make more of an effort to just buy clothes that I know I will wear, just to be more sustainable, save money. And I realize the more clothes that I have, the less I'll wear different clothes. I always end up just wearing the same thing over and over because sometimes when there's too many clothes, everything just gets cluttered. A lot of people actually think that this is a window, but it's my closet. When we first remodeled my room, it looked completely different. All blocked off. I think this part was a closet, so we opened it up so that we can push the bed back and make more space. Everything is from IKEA. After the pandemic, it's crazy how much prices have spiked. Everything, my bed frame, these cabinets, my table, literally half the price that they are now. These cargo 90s jeans. I love these jeans that I thrifted. Miss me jeans. They're so cute. I've been really into wearing flare jeans a lot lately. I've been thrifting a lot and finding good stuff. Here's some striped dress pants that I found. A steal. You can see how like completely opposite style I have sometimes. Like a preppy. This cute preppy dress. I really like tops that accentuate your neckline somehow. I recently thrifted this online too. There's nothing to it, you know? It's kind of just really random. Obviously, you can see the main reason why I'm changing my desk because it's so damaged. There's just so many of these holes. my god, it's been so long since I have the comb. What a pretty little comb. I'm really happy with the finish of it. I used to have a shiny desk and this is more of a matte feel. I think I ordered some desk stuff and I completely forgot what's in the package. The way that I get pictures to put on my wall or on my pegboard, I just go on Pinterest and find pictures that I like. You can either download them or take a screenshot and then paste them onto a Word document or Canva. And you can either get them printed out like at a FedEx, but I just print them out at home. I'm gonna remove them because I think I want to place my pegboard on the other wall just for something different, even though I know that this would be the most ideal place to put it. But yeah, this is to show you also like how it doesn't damage your wall at all. Now I'm just gonna use the old strips to measure the new ones. So I used 2 full ones. This is actually the only piece that I need to measure. Okay, like that. Now these are the pieces. So I already have the counterparts pasted onto the bar that it comes with. This is how my upper shelf looks like currently. I think I'm gonna keep it as it is. We are almost done. I just have to fix my bed area and then add my rug.